If you're looking for a quick way to use ShopWired for custom invoices, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through how to easily create custom invoices with ShopWired, as well as highlight a few things to keep in mind when using the platform. Stick around because at the end, I'll show you an alternative that could even be a better option for your business goals. Let's start with setting up your custom invoices. The first thing you need to do when you're in ShopWired is head to the Settings area. Once you're in the Settings, look for the Invoice Settings tab. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll be able to set up your invoice templates, which include customizing the design and adding your company logo, contact details, and business info. It's important to ensure that these details are correct because they'll appear on every invoice you issue. Next thing, if you want to go beyond just adding basic details, you can adjust the layout and appearance of the invoice. ShopWired allows you to tweak the layout by adding or removing sections. You can change things like product descriptions, payment terms, and even tax breakdowns, which is handy for keeping everything organized and professional. The third thing you should know is how to automate your invoicing process. ShopWired does offer automatic invoicing features that trigger when an order is completed. But keep in mind that ShopWired's automation doesn't offer the level of customization some businesses might need. So, while it's convenient, it might not be the best solution for everyone. Next, let's talk about adding custom fields. ShopWired gives you the ability to add custom fields, which can be really useful for things like purchase orders or special customer requests. However, the process of adding these fields can sometimes feel a bit clunky. You'll have to dive into your settings to make sure it's done right. Now, the fourth thing, there's limited flexibility with ShopWired's invoicing system when it comes to integrating third-party software. If you're using accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero, you may find it a bit tricky to sync with ShopWired. While you can export invoices manually, there's no direct integration, which could be a downside for larger businesses looking for seamless workflows. Finally, let's talk about the pricing. ShopWired's pricing isn't the most transparent, and you might end up paying for features you don't necessarily need. It's important to evaluate what you'll actually use to ensure you're getting good value. So, that's a quick overview of using ShopWired for custom invoices. But before you go, I want to tell you about a competitor that might actually be a better fit for businesses that need more customization, better automation, and smoother integrations. We've got an exclusive extended free trial for this alternative, which you won't find anywhere else. You can get the best deal through our link, and if you sign up, you'll get benefits specifically for our viewers. Check out the link in the description to grab your extended free trial, and make sure to explore some of the other options we've mentioned. Thanks for watching!